Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Maldorini token to Trust Wallet. So in order to add the Maldomax token to your Trust Wallet, click on the browser and head over to Maldorini.com. Once there, scroll through and you'd find that this token is customized with the Binance BEP20, which simply means it's a BNB smart chain token. Now scroll a bit more to where you can find some information about it, like its chain, decimal, and supply. Copy its contract address, minimize and open up Trust Wallet. So make sure your Trust Wallet has been set up properly. We're going to first search for it by searching with MDX, which is supposed to be the Maldorini token. If this doesn't pop up on your screen or after you search, head over to the icon at the top right at the home section. Click on this icon. Where we have manage crypto at the top right, click on it again. And where we have network, click on the Ethereum, select the BNB smart chain, paste its contract address, Maldomax, the symbol and decimal are shown. Click on import. And boom, we've successfully added the Maldomax token to our wallet. So guys, that's how you can simply go about this. Comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.